make about our summer party.
You talk about the summer party.
We couldn't talk about it before because we wanted no fuss. Is it time to say to the world that we are, in fact, having a summer party for a very specific reason, and that is that
We are getting married.
Yay!
At Lalande, at your own chapel.
Yes.
Yes, we are going to get married, and it's going to be not a simple, but a small gathering.
Extremely small
And
wedding.
only the family.
Absolutely, yes. You do realize that you are about to embark upon matrimony with a very simple soul, simple woman, simple taste.
Turns out that then I must be simple.
No, listen.
I would like you to be complex.
Oh dear, I'm not
Believe
that.
me, she is.
I'm not that. We're looking forward to it with trembling hearts.
And knotted guts, yes.
In our trembling hearts and knotted guts.
I really wanted to go to Las Vegas, you and me, and
Yes.
forget about everything
That
else.
would have been the simplest, easiest way.
But that's not what's going to happen.
Yes, we wait with trembling hearts and knotted guts to see what is going to happen.
We're going to make this the best wedding of all time, aren't we, Maddie?
Yeah, we are.
Even if they want it simple, we want it big.
Just
gonna
cut down
be
on the flowers and
Over
the
the
greenery.
top, Pinterest style,
Epic.
epic.
Well, Stephanie, we can't stand here and talk
Dilly-dallying.
about the future. The present counts more than the future, so let's get on with things.
My future starts now.
Yes.
My beautiful aunt is back. And we're going on an exciting adventure to the charity shop.
Yay!
Are you not coming with us, Grant? Don't feel like a bit of charity shoppage? Have a good rest. You deserve it. We're going to take Cole and pimp him up in second-hand clothes. For our fun.
Yes.
He's found really good t-shirts. Oxbow 1985, that's my favourite one. That's awesome. Another pair of dungarees.
I think these might fit even.
They look massive, Cole.
There's only one way to find out.
You're going to try them on? Okay. I'm going to come back and see you in those. I've never seen anyone use the changing rooms in here before.
That's it.
Oh, hello, Cole. Right. Now,
Not
do you,
quite made for
do you
my
remember
shape.
me saying I thought they were a bit big?
Well, I thought they're the right length. They're just not the right width. Hello. I am here to service your voiture.
You're going to service my car with a recorder? Full turn, please. You look fabulous in my sunglasses.
Thank you. I feel it too.
I'm happy because all the family are here. The best bit is that Cole's decided to wear the car maintenance thing all the time. Cole, why do you love it so much?
It's hard to put into words.
We are going to have an argument about why can't we wear it.
Oh, a fight for it now.
Yeah.
There's another one at the store.
There's another one.
At the store, yeah. There's
Percy, it might be alright.
What
Because it gives me the uniform for the N team.
Yes, we should get 3 of them.
You definitely look like a mortician.
1 week to go till the wedding and you haven't decided what you're wearing.
I am overwhelmed. Oh, wow.
That is a beautiful dress. But is it wedding-y?
Is it springtime in love?
The theme is springtime
Time
in love. I think it's more autumn in love.
It's very. I'm in control.
But I
I'm the
look
boss.
extremely nice.
I'm sure you do.
I have been told.
Ooh.
No, too many sequins.
Yes.
Is that the one you were going to wear? That's not the one I was imagining.
No. Which one are you?
The gold coat and dress. Beautiful, Mummy. I really think that is perfect.
Wow.
That's a wedding outfit.
That is a wedding outfit. I love this one. Beautiful.
I mean, I get those clothes and I never wear them.
Wow. Oh my god, he looks so chic.
Yes.
Honestly, Mummy, it will be cooler. And the chapel will be cool. And just only wear that during the chapel ceremony. And then take the coat off.
Okay.
Now that you've seen the dress, is it helping you plan the flowers?
Yeah. Maybe I'll just you know, go what we already talked about. You know, natural, most from the garden, white. Sure. We have to see what we find.
I know. Oh, I'm excited. I'm actually really getting excited now.
No, I'm not. I'm looking for her.
I didn't say you were, Mummy. No one's expecting you to get excited, but I am excited. That's your evening outfit.
Oh.
But what were you going to wear underneath it? The same dress?
Nothing.
Oh, well, I say.
It could be the blue one.
I bought this jacket at Reinhardt Luthier's sale,
Oh.
and it's hand-sewn Carven couture.
Haute couture, if you
Haute
please.
couture. Oh, nothing but that from my mother.
Beautiful.
I love the way you just put it over a pair of jeans on the hanger.
Couldn't it go with
That would
Oh,
that
yes.
would go.
Oh, definitely.
That would definitely go.
Yes.
Yes.
And that's light and summery. That's springtime in love.
I do hope some of our guests have brought something else beside
Yeah.
shorts. Otherwise, we, the ladies, will look ridiculous.
Well,
It's never stopped us before.
We'll be together looking ridiculous. then,
Exactly.
Doesn't bother me.
We're all singing happy birthday to Michael Potts, and we've pretended to Percy that Michael's going to join us tonight for his birthday celebrations. But in fact, it's a secret, and it's Percy's family who are coming from South Africa.
Somebody's dressed up for Michael's birthday.
Yes.
Can we have a little
He's dressed
turn?
up for Michael's birthday.
Little spin?
And you got a fresh haircut. Give us a turn. 12.
Oh my god.
Beautiful. Trying to keep a secret from Mummy or Percy in this house is impossible.
He thinks he's going to collect Michael.
Just impossible. And they know something's up, don't they?
Isabelle got me in the corridor and put a butter knife to my throat and said, "Tell me what you know." And I'm like, I have no idea.
Go, 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 Mummy. Go, go, go. Hello. Are you happy, Percy? Yes. Did you totally guess?
Yes.
You are impossible to keep a secret from. And here is the woman who has just effortlessly cooked a 3-course meal for 6 different guests in the house and for 20 of us in the stables. Solo.
That's what you do here at Lalande.
Cole, it is champagne time. I can't do it. Trying to open the champagne.
Isn't it a bit early?
No, we're all going to have some as people sit down. Oh, Percy, you look glorious. Even better with that tray.
Yes. Everybody suddenly loves me with the champagne tray.
Yay! Big wave, everyone.
I was stopped again at customs,
Yes.
you know, because I was coming through and the customs people were asking for selfies. And I'm going to start charging people. Actually, at the counter today with Sharon and David, a woman came up to me and tapped me on the shoulder. She said, "Are you here for the chateau?" I says, "Come on, I'm just a normal man."
Travelling incognito.
I says, "I'm a normal one and I just want to blend in." I brought you some...
Thank you.
Well, you don't know what I was going to say.
Yes, plastic bags.
I brought you some plastic bags.
For
your rubbish.
For me to clear the rubbish. I knew.
Seriously, hang on, wait. You brought rubbish bin bags as a gift for Mummy?
Yes.
Yes. You know, these are extra strong bin bags. These are not your rubbish that's going to burst when you carry all your rubbish. These are the top
Thank
stuff.
you, Jerry.
Unbelievable.
I
I must be a
appreciate
cuckoo.
it. I appreciate it.
Why you must be
Because
a
you two are
cuckoo?
so similar. You're genuinely excited about the bin bags.
You know, Stephanie, see with the bin bags. Like with your rubbish.
And this is my Tonton Alain, Mummy's brother.
Oh, yes. That's me. Yes.
There is no stopping you. Oh, the thought of not looking at those hideous gas bottles is wonderful.
Percy's just gone to Brico to get me some stuff for it.
Well, Percy goes to Brico every day. Mummy, as you are refusing to wear your hearing aid, Cole has... As you're refusing to wear your hearing aid,
That's rather nice, isn't it?
Cole has come up with a plan. Do you want to talk us through it, Cole?
Hello, I'm audiologist Dr. Cole Somersell. I have invented this contraption called the ear trumpet. which magnifies sound such that the user can hear things. This is an old prototype model. We're going to need to dust it off a little bit before we use it.
So you just genuinely found this in the attic?
Yep.
Yes, in my stockroom.
Well, Mummy, I think the search for the correct hearing aid for you is over.
Mm-hmm.
Boo!
It works, yeah.
This is a magnificent garden team.
Chewing tobacco and a flat cap, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, on the side.
Uncle Stephen, Percy, and Percy's son Derek, and grandson. Look at this dream team.
Oh, yeah. Could life get better?
All of these men and one tractor to move this bench. And how many men does it take to fashion the best hat in the world?
Just one. There can only be one.
What have you found?
I found a crown.
I think you should wear that.
Queen Chantal.
It
will
just
be a
suits
first.
And I have my newest version.
Good to see you wearing your lab coat.
Yes, well, doing lots of science. This is the latest version of my patented ear trumpet.
Yes.
Let's see if it makes a difference. No.
No, not
Wrong one. Yes, now hold it to your ear.
Oh, I can
Can you hear me very well now?
very well indeed.
Hello, Mummy. Could you please pass me the butter?
Would you like the butter, madam?
Oh, Mummy, I'd love the butter. I think
Another miracle.
it is a miracle.
And here's the best part. If you can't be heard across a crowded room,
Is that the only thing you can say across a crowded room there? Because
Yeah.
I'm not sure how useful that is.
it does get your attention.
There has been a lot of hearing.
Well, you must make up your mind which one it is.
What did she say?
I love you not.
He can hear clearly now.
Thank
The
you, Doctor.
trumpets come.
I do hope this becomes a commercial success for you.
Yes. Well, it already has in several third world countries.
Thank you so much.
It's a French horn also.
Yes.
You're welcome.
That's beautiful. Just beautiful. Thank goodness you found that thing. So multi-purpose.
No.
And the name you will be using is?
Brown.
Ah.
After the color, of course.
Brown.
That's not brown.
Very
That's
good.
not brown.
What?
That's not brown.
It's black.
And next we'll be working on spectacles for colour blindness. We're very sad because Grant will be leaving us after the wedding and I can't bear the thought of it. I think they're worried they're going to be sheared again. We don't want you to leave, Grant.
Helicopter.
Especially if they're driving.
What's the saying? All good things must come to an end.
I don't like that saying. I've never liked it and I still don't like it.
Yeah,
you should
well-
bring your wife and your children
Okay,
and move
well,
in.
it's not a goodbye. It's see you later.
It's an au revoir.
Yeah, this is my second time here, so it's not like I will not be back. I do love France. I just don't love how far away it is from Australia.
He's like a boomerang. He'll always come back.
Yeah.
You see how your pergola's already being used, Grant?
Yes, it actually looks pretty good.
Doesn't it? You genius.
There's not a singular best moment. I think it's just meeting everybody from every character I've met here. It's hard to describe. My Facebook friends has increased twofold. I've now gone from 6 friends to 12.
50 years ago.
Funniest moment.
A girl I knew.
Oh, only me and Stephanie Marino, the GPS in the car.
Oh, that was a glorious
I asked her to
moment.
put the GPS because I drove, so she put it virtually right in front of my face while I was driving. She jammed the GPS box virtually right in front of it, my face, not over to the right, and she literally went kabang, like she almost punched the windscreen out. She's I think anything with Marie, to be honest with you.
Yeah. Percy, what are you going to miss most about Grant?
Oh, the muscle.
What do you miss most about Grant, Carl?
I don't know. Just, his subtle charm, beautiful
Subtle.
smile. Yeah. The whole package.
Let's look at that beautiful smile.
I'll be back. Mark my words, I'll be back. Good night, everybody.
Good night, Grant.
Keep your zipper up.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
Here we have the elusive Nick
What we're needing.
and Percy's lovely family and my aunt and uncle.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, you look very
I'm
happy.
so happy.
You are a vision in lavender. Can you show the whole outfit actually, Tonton Stephen?
Hang on. Hang on.
Look at that.
Strip off.
Wow. Few people will have seen such a glorious sight ever.
Life is good.
It was a big surprise as the children arrived, in particular the ones from South Africa, because I wasn't expecting them. Finding love later in life is much more, let's call it, you are much more.
She's much more. I mean, I'll agree with that. She's definitely much more.
Much more less stressful.
You're less stressful.
You're saying there isn't that anxiety attached to it. When you are young, you're anxious. Am I doing the right thing? Because it's a heck of a long of a mistake.
Finding love older in life is a much more mature experience.
Yes, yes.
So there's much less concern and worry and
jealousy, anxiety than one gets when one is young, I think.
And
will he be there? Will she be there? Will he love me always? Will she? At our age, you don't
worry. You're feeling pretty confident, are you?
I'm pretty confident, yes.
yes, we are both pretty confident.
Good morning! It's the morning of the wedding! I can't believe the day's finally arrived. Sadly, I can't show you the wedding itself at the moment, though I promise I will in the future. And now I have to rush off to do my mother's makeup. Time out on the afternoon of Mummy's wedding. Oh, we're going to go and get the cake.
Isabelle et Percy.
Oh, quelle est belle! Oh my god, très belle! Isn't it gorgeous?
Wow. That's pretty amazing. Look at the roses.
No pressure, just the entire future happiness of this wedding on YouTube. Oh, it's so beautiful! If you sit in the back with it, do not eat it.
Yeah, but if I take the rose from the back, no one will notice.
Oh, please, please, let it be okay. Not even one nibble, Michael.
Okay.
Don't think I've ever seen you so happy. Not even one, Michael. Not even one. No, Michael. Love and marriage, love and marriage go together like a horse and carriage. Here's a photo of Mummy and Percy on this beautiful day. I'm bursting with pride. Mummy is absolutely radiant, and I'm delighted to welcome Percy into our family. I couldn't have imagined a kinder stepfather.
Ladies and gentlemen, thanks very much for enjoying this vlog of Stephanie's. This has been the wedding of the year. Obviously, we've all come a bit underdressed. But as you can see, the sun is shining, so are the people. It's been one of the most wonderful of services in a 9-month time. We're looking forward to the patter of tiny feet.